Ready, start. As stated earlier in the judgment, there is a clear distinction between the employees who are in work charged establishment vis-a-vis those who are in job contract establishment. Full stop. The distinction becomes obvious from a bare perusal of sub rules 3 and 6 of Rule 18 of the Odisha Pension Rules, 1992, where it is given that work charged employees who have worked in the establishment for a period of 5 years or more without interruption and are subsequently appointed to the same or another post in temporary or substantive capacity in a pensionable establishment, the period of service rendered by him slash her in a work charged establishment shall qualify for pension under the Odisha Pension Rules, 1992, full stop. Compare this with the provision relating to job contract establishment for whom it has been specifically stated that in case of a job contract employee, after he oblique she is brought in pensionable establishment, only that much period as job contract service shall be added to regular service as would make him qualify or eligible for pensionary benefits. Full stop. Again, as we have already stated in the preceding paragraphs, these Odisha Pension Rules, 1992 are the distinction under the law have not been challenged before any court. Full stop. As we have already stated, this was also the point which was never even mentioned before this court, leave aside any argument being made by any of the parties in this regard. Full stop. We are, therefore, at a loss to examine as to whether the work which the two are actually performing is similar or not, question mark. Therefore, we are not in a position to determine whether the classification itself between the work charged establishment and job contract establishment is artificial or an unequal classification to make it violative of the Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. Though, we may, however, mention at this stage that the work charged employees are governed by the Odisha Work Charged Employees within bracket appointment and conditions of service bracket close instructions, 1974, which are issued by the General Administration Department of the state government, which defines such work charged establishment. Full stop. On the other hand, employees in the job contract establishment are associated with survey and settlement and map publication as well as consolidation operations in the state, and their service conditions are governed by the consolidation manual issued under Odisha Consolidation of Holdings and Prevention of Fragmentation of Land Act, 1972, full stop. As we have already stated above, we are not in a position to give a finding as to whether the distinction between the two is artificial, being only a difference of nomenclature, and also whether effectively, they both are performing regular work, for the reason that no arguments have been made by any side on this aspect, full stop. We, therefore, leave this aspect open, full stop. Presently, in the cases before us, and for reasons which have already given above, considering the facts and circumstances of the case, these appeals are hereby allowed, full stop. Having made the above determination, we also feel that it is our duty to bring on record the extreme carelessness and lethargic manner in which the state has been pursuing these cases, both in the High Court and before this court, full stop. The delay caused by them is inexcusable, full stop. Nevertheless, we have heard these matters for reasons we have already stated in the preceding paragraphs in the earlier part of this judgment, full stop. All such cases, which were belatedly filed, both before the High Court in appeal and then before this court as special leave petitions, are hereby set apart from the rest, comma, only for the purpose of payment of costs, full stop. Consequently, comma, in all such cases, the state shall pay an amount of rupees 1,50,000, comma, to the employee concerned, full stop. This amount shall be deposited in the account of the employees, comma, or as the case might be, comma, within a period of 4 weeks from today, full stop. This order shall not be made effective till the above amount is deposited in the account of each of such employees, full stop. Due to the delay in filing of special leave petitions, some petitions were dismissed earlier as we have stated in the preceding paragraphs. Full stop. Now, comma, in terms of our order here, comma, the state may file its review, comma, within 4 weeks from today. Full stop. Interim orders, comma, if any, comma, stand vacated. Full stop.